Find out what equipment maintenance software can do for you. Equipment maintenance software helps businesses manage their mechanical inventory by automating the equipment usage tracking process, including repairs and preventive maintenance. These tools integrate multiple business functions, such as accounting and contract management, into one solution. Equipment maintenance software offers asset tracking features, including the location and condition of all mechanical equipment. Work order management, whether for ad hoc or scheduled equipment maintenance, lets you create, assign, and change work orders so repairs are made quickly, minimizing downtime. Preventive maintenance features let you schedule preventive maintenance tasks in a shared calendar and assign those tasks to technicians. Additional equipment maintenance software features to consider include labor resource management, inventory management, and reporting and analytics. Ready to find the right equipment maintenance software for you? Get personalized software recommendations by visiting GetApp.com.